the Samsung Galaxy AOD, how to use the horizon display on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you've ever wondered how to adjust the horizon display on your Samsung Galaxy phone, we are here to help. The AOD feature is such a convenience because it lets you see the important things like time, temperature, calendar appointment, and even music just at a glance. Better still, Samsung allows you to customize how you want to enable the AOD, what color you want it to be, and even if you want to add your own images or gifts to it. The products used in this guide are the best Galaxy phone for your money, Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, $700. You can grab yourself one from Amazon, and also the Galaxy S7. To access the settings menu or the settings app from your app drawer. Step number 2, scroll down and tap on the lock screen. Step number 3, tap to toggle the horizon display feature. Step number 4, tap to show link underneath. Down there, it's in another color. So step number 5, from this screen, you can change your horizon display to come on when you tap it, or have it horizon or show on a schedule, so you can tap any preference you want. Further down, you can select whether you want the lock screen to rotate, either in portrait or landscape mode. Step number 7, tap the toggle to show music information so that you can see music details when in the first widget's music controller is in use. Tap to toggle on or off the auto brightness. Step number, tap on clock style to change the appearance or color of the. Thanks to Android Central, it's where I got this from, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on my Galaxy S7. So let's get started with the Galaxy S7. I'm going to do that in the screen recording. If you found the video useful, make sure you subscribe if you've not yet already. And by the way, if you're a new visitor to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And please keep subscribed to watch always any videos that I upload, and also share to friends. Don't forget to comment. So let me try that on the Galaxy S7 because I know it, and also it's been working. It's also fun. So this is the Galaxy S7. So activating the horizon display, just go to settings, swipe until reach lock screen and security. So we have phone security, biometrics, lock screen and horizon display. So this is where you can customize the AOD from. So you can set the horizon display anytime you feel like. That will be a schedule, either from midnight to 7 to be off, then from 7 to midnight it will be on. So clock and face widgets, select what you want to see on the lock screen. So clock style, so we have pretty different clock styles. So this is for the horizon display, and also there's also for the lock screen, but I don't want the lock screen to be appearing. I need only this black screen. So here, this is my best. Then contact information, I don't want any information to be appearing. So what about any other notifications? Notifications are selected to be on, so with transparency effect. Then also the app shortcuts to open from the lock screen, so those are the ones there. So that is all about the lock screen. You can also customize it to be having the music players there. So select what you want to be appearing. You go to clock and face widgets, select what to show on the lock screen and horizon display. So roaming clock I don't want. Face widgets, Get quick access to useful information on the lock screen and always on display. So get quick access on the lock screen, get quick access to useful information on the lock screen, and AOD even when you're using a secure locks type. So music controller, yes. Today's schedule, I don't want. Next alarm, I don't want. But weather is important, so I will select that. Advanced, where to show the lock screen and always on display, you can select that either on the lock screen or either on the always on display alone. So that is all about the Samsung Galaxy AOD. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and comment about this video. I need to know your thoughts and opinion about this video, so share to a friend, and also don't forget to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe and select the bell icon to all notifications so that you can get any update when I post a new video. So hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video.